Okay. Here I need to move to speed instability. What is speed instability? Okay, so let us look to this curve, which represent the force and airspeed, and this one drag. So let us first of all take a point, arbitrary point in this side. Okay, and to fly at this point, the pilot, he need to adjust his engine to produce this amount of thrust. So let's assume that there is disturbance, gust, for example, gust of wind, for example. Okay, so what is going to happen? So maybe the speed here, for any reason, maybe the speed, for example, if your airplane fly at 100 kilometers per hour, assume that maybe it fly at 100 plus 0.001, even if it's very, very small, but it's less. So it means, what does it mean when the speed is going to less value? Of course, here at this point, look, the drag is bigger than thrust. In this case, the drag is bigger than thrust. Okay, so what does it mean? Let us back to the equation of motion. We derived this a couple of weeks ago. Thrust minus the drag equal to mass into acceleration. Now, when we have T minus D, so T minus D, so this is negative value, right? So negative value, it means that the acceleration, it has negative value, it means deceleration. So the airplane will decelerate. What does it mean? It means this point will move farther to left. So the speed will go down and down. So again, when it's going to down, so this equation, this parameter will be negative more and more. And this point will go more and more to left. So obviously here, the speed is going further to left. But let's assume, so obviously this speed here is not stable. So the aircraft here, we can say the aircraft is speed unstable and will deviate from the original position. From the original position following a disturbance. So this makes it difficult to the pilot, okay? But let us now assume different scenario. Let's assume that the pilot, he fly at this point, okay? So let's assume, of course, at this point, he requires this amount of thrust and the engine can produce this one, okay? Now let's assume that there is a disturbance for gust of wind, for example. So what does it mean? Maybe the speed will increase or decrease. I can discuss the two cases. Let us discuss the case of the speed that increased. So it means, look, from this curve, actually, look, the drag here is bigger than thrust. So drag is bigger than thrust. Go back to this equation. So drag is bigger than thrust. This is negative. So we have deceleration. Deceleration, it means the airplane the speed will go down. So this point will go to the left. So it means will restore. So this point will move back. Okay. Of course, I can assume another scenario. So the speed is, instead of increased, let's assume the speed is decreased. Of course, decreased here, the drag in this case is less than thrust, and thrust is bigger than drag, and this one is positive, and here we have positive acceleration. So it means if the airplane moves to this point, it will accelerate back to restore this point. So it means, conclusion, the aircraft is speed stable, and the aircraft will automatically return to the original airspeed. And very nice for the pilot. So the total conclusion, so at this point here, So the airplane or speed is neither stable nor unstable, or neutral stable here at this point. And for this part, the airplane is speed stable.